You have a tendency at times, dear Capricorn, to live as though you need a break from yourself. But the truth is you need a break from either certain people around you or the world around you. And so you keep trying to get away from yourself and take breaks from yourself. And you step more into either the people around you or the world around you. And it continues to be noisy and quite chaotic. The problem, though, then is when you sit alone with yourself, there's still noise and chaos. You have to be willing to, I want to say, be present with the noise, with the chaos. Not sit with it, not sit with it. Sit with it is very different. Being present with that chaos. There's a part of you that is chaotic. And that part of you that is chaotic continues to be presented and represented in the world around you and the people around you. So what you're really running from or hiding from or distracting yourself from is the part of you that is chaotic and feels chaotic. It's you keep trying to shut that part down, but you move into it more by the places and people and things around you. Be present with a part of you that feels chaotic right now. That's key.